ready. Ooh, I know you see this Naïka. Yeah, yeah. I feel like this is.
Hi guys, it's Mahi too. Today I'm here with my friend
Naïka
and
Sakarl.
and we're gonna bake cookies.
Woo!
Halloween cookies, and we're gonna talk along the video. So if you wanna join us, keep watching.
For the ingredients, you're gonna need flour, a big ass bag of flour, some sugar, some unsalted butter, some vanilla extract, an egg. This is
Salt.
salt. And icing with some food coloring.
We're putting the butter in the bowl.
What should we? Put the bottle in the bowl.
There's a lack of structure in this video.
I don't know.
Lack of planning. Not my channel.
Not my channel either.
Guys.
It says flour, baking powder, and salt. 2 and a fourth.
2 and a 4.
And a quarter of a cup.
Am I the only one who would just use a teaspoon?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I have a would you rather.
Okay.
Would you rather become a YouTuber or a TikToker?
Well, I'm already a TikToker, so I guess I should be also a YouTuber. That's what the question.
That's what I was trying to say. He needs to start a YouTube channel, okay? Tell him to start a YouTube channel, okay?
Salt?
So shy.
Girl.
It's gonna be a pinch.
1/4.
What the fuck is going on in this kitchen?
She added a whole.
She made our burst.
The way you added was not a 4.
It was less. I'm sure it was less. Did it look like that much?
It
I
was
used to make
sugar.
cookies for a living when I was like 10.
Okay.
For a living.
Do you think we should use this
Yeah.
or okay?
I use it.
Okay, I gotta wash it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay, I feel like this is. No, I got. What is happening? I don't feel like we should mix it with.
Why don't I have a whisk?
I have a whisk.
The
whisk doesn't have a handle. The whisk doesn't in the large mixing bowl, which was a good yay mixing bowl. Use a hand mixer. Now we gotta use it.
No, that's
Heat the
bit of
butter
sugar
and the
is fine.
sugar. We're gonna eat you today. Your finger, your hair.
nice.
What happened?
Look at us.
This looks amazing, guys.
So you want it to look like that?
Exactly.
It has to be smooth and creamy.
Look really fancy.
We'll just continue.
Crack it in one hand.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
No shell. Next step, you want to gradually mix in the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, guys. That don't look like
This
cookie
high?
dough.
This
It's not cookie
it's not
dough?
liquid enough.
It's not giving cookie.
Oh no!
It's not giving cookie.
Guys, I'm not sure about that.
guys, open the couscous. C'est séparé, it's separated. Like, no.
Guys,
It looks like
comment what we did wrong.
There's hope. There's hope, guys. Doesn't it look like
It's okay.
So since we do not have cookie cutters, we're gonna cut the shapes by ourselves. So let me find would you rather because my where's my phone?
This conversation is active.
Would you rather always be 10 minutes late or always be 20 minutes early?
20 minutes early.
20 minutes early.
It's basically, would you rather be a good person or a bad person?
Would you rather win 25K or your best friend win 100K?
That's a tough one.
That's a tough one. So,
Your friend
are we
doesn't
being
know.
selfish?
That's the question.
Or
If they don't know, but they would win 100K.
I don't know. I'm kind of. Am I being selfish? Or
I think I would keep it to myself.
What? Damn, he said it.
I love my friend. I know my friend has me. My best friend has me. I know she got me.
I think I would keep it to myself too.
That's a smart decision.
I think I would.
Dumb. Like you're being stupid.
Well, that's easy. Would you rather be alone all your life or surrounded by really annoying people?
Alone.
Huh?
What the fuck?
What's your
Or I got
answer?
really annoying people?
Yeah.
How annoying?
Ah, really?
It's so much better to be like.
Alone,
Sometimes it
unbothered,
gets
healthy,
too- Okay, you're right. You're right.
you know, flourishing on your lane.
Yeah.
Would you rather find your soulmate or your calling?
Fuck, that's hard.
Stop.
Soulmate.
Soulmate?
I feel like finding your soulmate is harder. It's harder because it's not really in your control, but finding your calling is in your control. You can find it if you really.
If you explore.
Yeah.
I like the soulmate as well. Me too. So first up will be Sakarl. Sakarl.
Oh. So what's your shape?
Wait, what?
What's your shape?
I'm doing it right now.
Yeah. What's this? What's that?
What?
that King?
What's that King? What are you trying to say?
What is it?
I'm gonna do penis.
No! It's Halloween! It looks like Homer Simpson head.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It does.
Oh my god, doesn't it look like him? Wow, beautiful.
Oh,
Let me put it on parchment paper.
I'm gonna try and do a ghosty ghost.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a
You
big
guys told me
one.
to stop, by the way.
So this is, by the way, this is my
Aww.
little shape.
You know what? I'm gonna try to do a spider.
Wow, ambitious.
Smells sticky.
I'm gonna do something. A spider.
So,
A very cartoonish spider. Oh no, I
But that
broke
is
the...
comment ça parle les jambes? That's not how it works.
You're gonna give it 2 legs?
Oh yeah, this is so skinny. Never mind, guys. Didn't believe that I couldn't, so I didn't.
Okay, do 2020.
Oh my
One.
god! It's so neat.
They believe I couldn't, so I couldn't.
You could do a,
Okay, I'll do it.
a witch hat. You know?
That's cute.
I'll do-
Oh my
do it.
god, you're so creative. Ew. One square.
We're such bullies.
This is my witch hat, whether you like it or not.
Oh no!
Okay, my turn.
It's fine.
You didn't show the people.
I'm embarrassed, okay? This is my
There was
witch
a rule
hat,
there.
guys.
Don't put her on the spot.
Look at this cat. Ooh, look at him. So we're gonna chill the cookies in the refrigerator and then we're gonna bake them. And you're gonna see us after.
Moi, je pense qu'on fait des shapes comme ça, genre.
Guys, I made a cube. Look how satisfying this is.
Okay guys, so these are the cookies.
And we mixed the icing already.
Yeah, we made that.
We got a little bit impatient.
A little bit of brown.
We made the black ourselves by mixing all the colors together.
He's so proud.
I'm in visual arts, by the way.
And this is orange.
This is
A
my
blue.
size.
Is it?
Mm.
So this is my little ghost. I forgot the word.
Ghosty ghost.
This is a ghost.
This is my
You'll see.
room.
Would you rather wear real fur or fake jewelry?
I mean, I don't want
I don't want to say it.
Say it!
I don't want to say it.
Say
Go for it.
it!
Say fake jewelry.
I mean, if the
That with
animals...
bracelet.
Okay. if the animal's already dead.
Of
Of
course.
course, if the animal gives its consent.
Okay. That was funny. Okay, I have bullies as friends. Like, this one is easy though. Have a rap battle against Nicki Minaj or Lizzo. I'm
Lizzo.
crushing Lizzo.
Lizzo.
We're crushing her. Easy.
I'm not gonna beef with the queen.
Oh, that's so cute.
Cute.
Look at mine, he's struggling. Be colorblind or lose your sense of taste.
Colorblind.
Yeah, colorblind is easy. Give up the internet or showering for a month.
Give up the internet. I'm not about to stinky
I'm
McGee. I'm known for smelling good. I'm
Stinky
not gonna-
Maggie.
And actually, a month on the internet can do you some good. He's a TikToker. He's a TikToker.
Follow me on TikTok.
Follow him. Please do it. That is a whoop.
Ew. I like it.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Singing.
It's okay.
Are you alright?
You okay?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Oh, it's cute. It's way cuter now. We can pretend that you made this one.
But I mean,
Cut the
It's
cameras.
because the cameras did it.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
My buckle is not buckling.
well, why would you do that?
What was your thought process? So where's the band?
I was trying to do
put the band
I
and
was
then put the buckle
trying
on
to
top.
do the buckle
Do the band,
and
and
then
then do the buckle.
no, I wanted to do
the band.
I wanted to do.
You know why?
I wanted to.
You know
I told
why?
you the reason. I
The
just told you the reason.
The band
and
goes
then you do the
under.
buckle.
The band goes under.
You do the
But that's
band,
not.
and then
That's
you do the
no.
buckle.
I did the buckle, and then I'm just gonna add the band. It's the same thing.
No, because if you fucking go on top of
You know
it,
what you sound
have
like?
to go over
Pizza
everything
pata,
too.
tomato,
clown.
tomato. It's the
A
same
clown.
thing.
A clown, that's what you sound
Same
like. A clown.
thing. These are my cookies.
Oh no.
Who wins? Me? Who wins? Be honest. Me?
I ate half of a cookie.
Minus 0.5.
And this was never a cookie to begin with, so.
Hi guys.
Hey.
These are my cookies. I can't really tilt it because I don't want it to fall.
Beautiful.
They're so cute.
So who
So
won?
who is better?
Who won?
Or
Me? Me? Vote 1 for Mahidin.
Vote 2 for me.
And 3 for him. In the break. So anyways, it was fun. We had fun.
It was hectic, but I honestly loved it.
I know you did.
I loved it so much.
Thank you guys for coming.
Make sure to follow me on TikTok.
Make sure to follow him.
It's spelled Sakarl on TikTok.
And don't forget to subscribe and comment down below who won because I'm waiting on my Chrome. And yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.
Cut.